Taksim Square is one of the most vibrant and iconic locations in Istanbul. With a rich history spanning centuries, this bustling public square has played a pivotal role in shaping the city's culture and political landscape. The word Taksim means division or distribution in Turkish. The square was originally named Taksim Military Barracks during the Ottoman era, and it was used as a parade ground for the Ottoman army. In the early 1900s, during the final years of the Ottoman Empire, Taksim Square became a hub for political demonstrations and protests. In 1908, a large demonstration known as Young Turk Revolution took place in the square, demanding the restoration of the Ottoman constitution. In the 1920s, Taksim Square underwent significant changes under the leadership of Mustafa Kemal, the founder of the modern Turkish Republic. His government demolished the old Taksim military barracks and replaced them with a large park, called Ghazi Park, which still exists today. In recent years, Taksim Square has been the site of numerous protests and demonstrations. Despite that, Taksim Square, surrounded by bustling streets, shops, and restaurants, is a hub of activity where locals and tourists alike come to soak up the energy and vibrancy of this historic location. From its fascinating past to its present-day significance, Taksim Square is a must-see destination for anyone visiting Istanbul, offering a window into the city's rich heritage and contemporary life. To watch more of my videos, please subscribe.